Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. Ageless Designs, the blueprint to bathtub renovations for seniors. As you navigate the world of home improvements and renovations, have you ever considered the unique needs of seniors? They require homes that are more than just comfortable. They need spaces designed with accessibility and safety in mind. Unfortunately, many standard designs overlook these crucial considerations. One such area often neglected is the bathroom, specifically bathtubs. Let's think about it. How often do we consider the height or design of a bathtub? Probably not often enough, considering its importance for senior members of our families. Bathtubs can present hazardous obstacles to seniors with mobility issues due to slippery surfaces and high steps over tub walls. Our aim should be to make these spaces safer without sacrificing aesthetic appeal, an ideal blend of functionality and elegance that your elderly loved ones will appreciate. Let's learn about a bathtub remodel for seniors. Let's dive right into bathtub renovations for seniors, a crucial aspect that combines safety and comfort without sacrificing style. When planning a bathroom remodel for seniors, think about incorporating senior-friendly materials. These could include non-slip tiles or surfaces treated with slip prevention coatings to prevent accidents. Remember that seniors often have different light sensitivity than younger people, so lighting considerations are essential too. Go for soft, ambient lighting and ensure enough light to make bathing safe and comfortable. Are bathtubs safe for seniors? Are you wondering if walk-in tubs are a good choice for seniors? You're not alone in this concern. Safety and comfort become paramount as we age, especially in spaces like the bathroom, where slips and falls are common. Are walk-in tubs good for seniors? Like a key fitting perfectly into a lock, walk-in tubs can be the ideal solution for seniors. They transform their bathing experience from a potential challenge into an easy and enjoyable activity. The accessibility features of these tubs are designed with senior needs in mind. They boast low thresholds to eliminate the need for high stepping or balancing acts. They often come equipped with built-in seating and grab bars for added safety. Beyond just practicality, though, many models offer hydrotherapy benefits. This can relieve pain and improve circulation, which is particularly beneficial for our older loved ones who may suffer from chronic conditions like arthritis. While walk-in tubs present numerous advantages, it's also crucial to consider factors such as maintenance requirements and installation costs. These units are generally straightforward regarding upkeep but require professional installation due to their complex plumbing systems. It's an investment worth contemplating carefully. What is the best bathtub height for seniors? Choosing the right bathtub height is crucial for your comfort and safety as you age. An ideal measurement is 17 to 19 inches. Your height consideration should be based on how easily you can step over the tub's edge without strain or risk of falling. Installation cost will inevitably play a part in your decision-making process. A higher tub may offer more soaking depth, but it could also entail higher installation costs due to additional plumbing work needed. Bathtub materials are another vital aspect. Acrylic and fiberglass tubs are lighter and easier to install than heavy cast iron models, but they might not offer the same longevity. Senior comfort goes beyond just the physical dimensions of the bathtub. Maintenance ease is also highly relevant. Simpler designs with smooth surfaces tend to accumulate less dirt and grime, making them easier to clean, a vital point if mobility is an issue. Bathtub modification for the elderly. As you consider making your bathroom safer and more accessible for seniors, it's essential to think about bathtub modifications. One excellent option is installing bathtub handles specially designed for the elderly, providing added support and stability during bathing. But where should these grab bars be placed? It's a question that demands careful thought and expertise in accessibility design. Bathtub handles for seniors. Consideration for bathtub handles can greatly enhance a senior's bathing experience, making it both safe and enjoyable. Safety measures are paramount when selecting the correct handle. You want to ensure that it's sturdy and provides an adequate grip to prevent slipping or falling. The type of material used in construction also plays a significant role here. Stainless steel and durable plastic make excellent choices due to their longevity, rust resistance, and ease of cleaning. The installation process should be handled by professionals who understand the importance of correct positioning for seniors' comfort and safety. Maintenance tips include regularly checking for loose screws or any signs of wear on the handle. These need immediate attention to prevent accidents. Cost considerations are vital, too. While investing in high-quality handles may initially seem costly, remember that this is a long-term investment toward your loved one's well-being. Where should grab bars be placed? Finding the right spot to place your grab bars may be tricky. Still, it's crucial for your safety. Imagine taking a relaxing shower after a long day, only to lose balance. Having a well-placed bar can make all the difference between a peaceful bath and an unfortunate fall. The benefits of proper bar placement are significant in enhancing safety and promoting independent bathing. To ensure you get this right, start with a thorough safety assessment of the bathroom space. Consider your height, mobility level, bathtub type, and ease of reach before deciding on installation spots. When choosing optimal bar types, consider those that offer a firm grip and resist slipping even when wet. While vertical or horizontal bars are common choices, angled ones can provide substantial support during entry and exit from the tub. Installation techniques are vital in ensuring stability. Securing bars directly into wall studs provides maximum hold power. Be sure to regularly maintain these fixtures by checking their tightness and cleaning them properly to prevent bacterial growth or rusting. Hiring professionals for a seamless renovation. Engaging seasoned professionals for your bathtub renovation for the elderly can ensure a seamless, efficient process specifically tailored to the unique needs of seniors. The professional selection is crucial. They should be knowledgeable not just in general construction but in accessibility design and senior needs as well. A carefully planned project timeline ensures the renovations are completed promptly, minimizing disruption to your daily routine. These experts can aid you in renovation budgeting, helping you make cost-effective choices that maintain quality and safety. Choosing contractors with experience in accessibility design ensures they understand the specific requirements of seniors. Professionals provide accurate timelines and adhere to them, reducing stress and inconvenience during the renovation period. Experts can guide you through cost-efficient decisions without compromising on quality or safety. Some concluding thoughts. Ready to future-proof your home with a thoughtful and stylish renovation? Our team at Phoenix Home Remodeling is here to help. By investing now, you can save on future adjustment costs and ensure your home evolves gracefully alongside your needs. We emphasize using durable, high-quality materials that are easy to clean and maintain, reducing long-term care expenses. Forget the misconception that senior-friendly decor can't be stylish. We're experts at integrating safety features like grab bars and non-slip tiles in ways that enhance your home's elegance, not detract from it. Remember, ageless design isn't just about functionality, it's about promoting comfort and independence for all. Our mission is to create spaces that meet your current requirements and accommodate changes that may come with time. It's time to transform your bathroom into a haven for seniors. Our expert guidance makes it less of a task and more of an exciting project with fulfilling outcomes. Contact Phoenix Home Remodeling today. Let's create a home that's as adaptable and resilient as you are. Your exciting journey towards a beautiful and secure future begins with us. Act now, future-proof your home, and ensure comfort and independence for years. FAQs: Bathtub remodels for seniors. What are the average costs associated with bathtub renovations for seniors? Considering cost comparison, material choices, renovation financing, safety features, and resale value, the average costs for senior-friendly bathtub renovations can vary. Depending on your specific needs, you're looking at a range from $10,000 to $50,000. Are there any government grants available to assist with the cost of bathroom renovations for seniors? Yes, there are government grants available. Your grant eligibility depends on specific criteria. The application process requires necessary documentation and has some grant limitations. Many seniors have successful grant stories to share. What are some of the latest trends in design for senior-friendly bathtubs? Just like a well-crafted novel, senior-friendly bathtub designs are evolving. Walk-in tubs with hydrotherapy features, non-slip surfaces, easy-access faucets, and built-in seating transform bathing into a safe, rejuvenating experience for seniors. Can I undertake a bathtub renovation for a senior, or do I need professional help? Considering safety features, material choices, maintenance tips, and accessibility considerations can pose challenges. Professional help ensures these aspects are handled efficiently, effectively, and safely for seniors. How long does the process of bathtub renovation for seniors typically take? You're asking about the renovation timeline. Bathtub renovations for seniors can take a few days to weeks, depending on material selection, safety feature installations, and accessible designs. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.